Makane, snowy Boston! I feel like I finally saw the real Boston. Boston had a snowstorm. It was really heavy snow. They said it was about 60 centimeters. It was freezing. This week, the highest temperature is around -7 degrees. The highest is below zero, minus. Yesterday, my class were online, but today I went to school through the snow. But Boston is strong when it comes to snow. In just half a day, the main roads were perfectly cleared and the car was driving like normal. Because things aren't normal, I walked a new street and saw beautiful views. A pure white Boston is really beautiful. It's easy to focus on the cold and inconvenience, but to me, this world still looks beautiful. Look at the bright side.